How to use audio library on YouTube channel. Here is a sign in. Here is a YouTube channel. Here is logo. Click here first and then go here this place. Go here sign in on YouTube channel. Sign in and then this is a mail ID using YouTube channel. Click here and then type password here and then next and then click here and then click here setting and then check channel status and then close this window. Audio library, YouTube audio library. Audio library. This is the audio library of YouTube. We can click here to listen or can use this audio to YouTube. You want to this, click here. Want to search here. Here is audio. Click here. This happy.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.